Is your garage door acting up? Don't wait until it's too late. Regular service keeps it running smoothly. You hear unusual noises, grinding, squeaking, or banging. These are red flags your door needs attention. Slow response time. If your door opens or closes sluggishly, it might be due for a tune-up. Door reversing unexpectedly. This is a major safety concern and requires immediate professional inspection. Misaligned or off-track door, a visual sign that your garage door system is out of balance and needs adjustment. Sagging or uneven door. This indicates potential spring or cable issues, which can be dangerous. Remote control or wall switch issues. Sometimes it's the opener, not the door, that needs servicing. Visible wear and tear on components like springs, cables, or rollers. These parts have a lifespan. Lubrication is key. Moving parts need to be regularly lubricated to prevent friction and premature wear. Safety sensor checks. Ensure your sensors are properly aligned and free of obstructions for safe operation. Annual maintenance is generally recommended, even if there are no obvious issues. Prevention is better than cure. Extreme weather conditions can impact your garage door. Winter cold and summer heat can affect its performance. Ignoring minor issues can lead to bigger, more expensive problems down the line. Act early. When in doubt, call a professional. DIY repairs can be risky without the right tools and expertise.